Hi guys, how you all doing? Welcome to my channel. Okay, so today we are cooking oxtail, but we are going to grill and also have it like a stew on the side. But we are gonna grill the oxtail. I'm not using that much. I'm using just less today. So these are the ingredients that I will be using for it. I've got tin tomatoes here, and I've got ginger here and onion powder. I've got shallots on the side over there, tomatoes puree, and I'll be using ghost chili, which I've blended already, and I've got a small little sweet pepper and two onions and like a bowl of ginger. I'll be using 4 Maggi cubes plus a vegetable stock, and also a mix herbs, which I'll put I blended out myself, so I will put all the stuff that I put in there blend together, and I'll also be adding just a little bit of bay leaf. So these are the ingredients I'll be using. Let's get started. Okay, so what I'll be doing here is I'll be steaming the meat just for a bit because it takes a long time for it to cook, and if you say you're cooking it straight away, it's just gonna take ages. So what I'm going to be doing is, sorry guys, I am wearing gloves to cook because all the stuff is going on, so just to be a little bit safe. So I'm just gonna put my pot here, and it's gonna be warming up in a minute. So I'm just gonna put the meat in here. What I'll be adding in here, I'm gonna be adding just to blend 1 onion and be adding into here. So okay, so I've literally cut the onions in three and a small water in here. So I'm going to be adding the just this is how much the chili and the gingers are. So I'm gonna be putting a few of them in there and leave the rest here. And also be putting a little bit of the onion, and also a little bit of the ginger, and we'll be putting Maggi cube in here. I'll be putting 1 Maggi cube and 1.5 Maggi cube in here. You know what? Let's just make it two. This is so difficult cooking in this damn glass, honestly. Okay, so we'll be adding that, and also a little bit of the ghost chili, just to give it a little bit of spice in there. So I haven't put any water in it, and I'm just going to blend this quite fast just to put inside. Okay, so I've blended the ginger and the onions in here, so I'll be pouring that in here, and I'll just put a little bit water just to rinse this out and add in there. So you can see that I'm not using that much water. I'm just adding just a few because you don't want it too watery once it's cooked. So on this point, I'm just going to be adding salt for the taste. Okay, so just add salt for the taste, and this, just to seal it up and let it cook for a bit, and while we, crack on with this stew. Okay, so I've literally added the onions and the shallots in here. So I'm just gonna put the bay leaves in here too, and just wait for the onions to turn brown. Okay, so you can see that the onions are nicely. Okay, so the onions are nicely brown, and now I'm literally just going to add the tomatoes puree in here. So I'm just gonna put a little bit water to rinse that out. And just get that in there, just to help it to dissolve with the tomatoes puree. So once it's like this, I'm just going to turn my temperature down because we don't want it burning. Okay, once it's like this, we're just going to put all the other ingredients in here, which is the ghost chili. We're going to put that in here, not too much, just probably I'm going to use half and then use the other half once I check how spicy it is. Okay, so on that point, I'm going to be putting the vegetable stock in here, and also add the Maggi cube in here. So I'm literally going to be using one Maggi cube because I've got two with the meat. So I'm going to use one, not two, just so you know it's not too salty or something. So on this point, I've turned the temperature down, and also I'm going to be putting the garlic powder and also the onion powder. Yes, I am using quite a lot of garlics and gingers and onions because you need it just like this. And also the next bit is I'm putting the mixed herbs in here. So ideally you just leave it like this and just let it cook just for a bit, and then you'll be adding a small amount of tomatoes in there. Okay, so you can see how it's gone now. So I'm going to be adding the tomatoes in here. So I'm not going to put a lot, just probably like half of it, that will do. Okay, so we're just going to leave that to also cook for a bit while I get the sweet pepper ready. Okay, so I've literally steamed the meat and you can see that it's literally just perfect. It's not too soft and stuff. So I'm not going to fry it. I'm just going to take it out and directly put it into the stew, the small stew that we've made on the side. Okay, so I'll just take all of them out. So that you can see that looks really nice already so far. It's nicely cooked. And okay, so once it's in here, I'm just going to add, you can add onions in here and other greens that if you like, but this is the ones that I'm using. So I'm just going to put that in here with the meat. Okay, so once it's like this, I'm just going to leave it for a bit, just for it to cook. Just for a few minutes for everything to just, fit in with it. Alright, see you in a bit. Okay, so this is how it's end up, like this. And so I'm just going to now take the meat out along with some of the veggies. So hold on. So this is how I will grill it. Usually I'll do it with a lot of meat, as today I did not do it with a lot of meat, so that's why you see a lot of gravy on it. So let me just get all that out again. So you can cut fresh onions and put in there, or any other herbs you think. So I'm just going to separate them so they're nicely cooked. And turn this off. So on this, I'm just going to put it on the grill until all of it, you see that it will like turn lots of like brownish. And I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay, so I've literally left it to grill and just waiting to see. Yeah, so it's just like this. It's now perfectly done. So I'm just gonna put it on a plate and that will be it. Alright, see you guys in a bit. Okay guys, so it's all done. I'm just gonna go and dig in, and this is how it usually would look like. I'm sorry, I'm not going to have a taste, as it's usually really spicy, and it's spicy and also it's hot. So thank you guys. I hope you all enjoy me make my grilled oxtail. Thank you. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave comments. Thank you, and see ya.